and then I can kind of keep him when he spins towards his head. It doesn't, he can't really get his head out as easy. I've hit this variation of this, but I got his arm here, but I can't get my leg right, so my other hand's getting it. I come over and I'll get it here. You see, but I flex my hands, and I like to keep my hip into him. I like to keep my knee up. I don't want him to, because this is what happens, he'll spin towards my head and back his head out. Like spin towards my head, your butt. Yeah. See how he backed his head out? I don't want that. So I'm here, and then I can kind of keep him when he spins towards his head. It doesn't, he can't really get his head out as easy. I like to keep my leg out if I do this.
And you're blocking that by how again?
Like my thighs here, just to keep it to where it's hard for him to get his head out. Because he'll spin towards my head and back his head out. You see? But I'm here. You know, look how I flex my hands, I go under. And sometimes, I can still get that, and I'll pull this out. Sometimes that's a way to force that. You see what I mean? Like, you got this one, you can't get it over. All right. A lot of you guys tapped watching that. So, let's go, 1, 2, 3.